In this video lecture, we are going to look at continuous statements in Python programming. Okay, previously we discussed about break statement and we learned a lot in that. Let's go ahead and look at a continuous statement. And we'll first of all refresh our memory by looking at break statement. The last thing we did is while I equal to 1 and while I is less than or equal to 100, then I is equal to I plus 1. And we said if, let's go ahead and print this out. Say print I. So let's go ahead and run this code and check it out first of all. And run this code and is there a problem? Okay. So go ahead and run this code again and let's check it out. So this is 1 to 101. Less than or equal to. This started from where? Okay. So now we want these to break out from 50 and continue. So how do you do that? Go over here and say if I is less than or equal to 50. If I is less than or equal to 50, then you go ahead and click on write continue. So let's go ahead and check it out and run this code. And this starts from where? 51. Let's check this out. So once this comes over here and check out, is I less than or equal to 50, then we jump and start from 51. If you want this to start from 50, you go ahead and remove equal sign and say if I is less than 50, and let's run this code and check it out. Okay, see there? It starts from 50 to go down, and this is what you have. But if you want that to be from 51, you say if I is less than or equal to 50, and you go ahead and run this code, and that will skip 1 to 50 and start from 51 and move onwards. And just a sentence, if you want that to end at 100, you go ahead and run this code and let's check it out. So that it stops at 100. Okay, I hope that is very interesting and we are learning something very interesting here. So this is how you use continuous statement in Python programming, and I would like you to test it out and make sure you are getting exactly the same thing with mine. And if you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and answer sections and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.